2023 by Mr. and Mrs. Alpha and Roan Aquino of Barangay Talapa. Now based in California, USA, the father wanted to leave a legacy for musicians in Bacoor. Their main objective is to help this artist enhance himself by providing the opportunities that can help the